Hello everyone and welcome to day 9 of my 365-day communication challenge. Today I want to talk about a habit that has had a hug impact on my career. Early in my career, I thought my value came from having the right answers. Whenever a problem comes up, my instinct was to solve it as quickly as possible. But over time, I realized that experienced engineers and technology leaders do something different. They don't start with answers, they start with questions. Great questions lead to a better understanding, better decision, and ultimately a better product. Today, I would like to share my asking why asking better questions can make you a better engineer and a better leader. Imagine a product manager says, we need this feature delivered by the end of this month. A junior engineer might immediately start coding. An experienced engineer pauses and asks questions. Who is this feature for? What problem are we solving? How will we measure success? Are there any technical constraints? Is there any existing solutions we can build upon? These questions don't slow the project down, they reduces misunderstandings, prevent rework, and help the team focus on delivering the right solution. In my experience, asking thoughtful questions at the beginning often saves days or even weeks of effort later. Imagine your team is working on a food delivery application. The business team requests a new feature. We want to improve the checkout experience. Instead of immediately redesigning the checkout screen, the engineering team starts asking questions. What problem are customers facing today? Are users abandoning their orders during payment? Is the issue with performance or experience or payment failure? Which customer segment is most affected? Do we have analytics to support these assumptions? After reviewing the data, the team discovered something surprising. The checkout process is not the real problem. Customers are leaving because delivery charges appear at the final step. Instead of redesigning the entire checkout flow, the team simply displays the delivery charges early in the journey. A much smaller change saves the real problem. That's the power of asking right questions before jumping to the solution. Why this matters for the leadership? As engineers move into leadership role, their responsibility change. Leader spends more time making decisions than writing code. They work with product managers, designers, architects, QA teams, customers, and business stakeholders. Asking thoughtful questions helps leaders understand different perspectives before making decisions. It also creates an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing ideas. Great leaders don't pretend to know everything, they stay curious and encourage learning. Before my team starts building an important feature, I like to ask five simple questions. Question number one: what customer problem are we solving? Two: how will we know if this feature is successful? Three: Is there a simple solution? 4. What are the biggest risks? 5. If we had to launch this in half of the time, what would we do differently? These questions often lead to a better conversation and better engineering decision. To summarize, great engineers don't just write great code, they ask great questions. Every thoughtful question improves understanding. Every better understanding leads to a better decision, and better decisions creates a better product. One lesson I have learned throughout my career is this: curiosity is one of the most valuable technical skills you can develop. Thank you for watching day 9 of my 365-day communication